Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a skincare review, and today I will be reviewing the Dot & Key skincare range. So let's get started. So let me start by giving you guys a brief about Dot & Key. I actually came across them on Instagram because they've been doing a lot of Instagram ads of late. So I ran out of moisturizer, opened their website and decided to pick out a moisturizer for myself because I really wanted to try something new this time. And I was actually very pleasantly surprised to see their website because it had a lot of information for people who are new into skincare. For example, if you click on a particular product, it's actually going to tell you how to use it, what that product contains, what it's good for, and how it's going to make your skin feel like after you use it. All of that stuff, which I thought was really cool. Plus they are an Indian skincare brand, so all the more reason to support them. I also really like their packaging. I thought it was very cute, very no nonsense and very pretty. These are some of the products that I picked out, and this is what the packaging looks like. I just thought it was very cute and very aesthetically pleasing and not something that I've seen before, so I really wanted to try it out. So since the first thing I wanted to do was buy a moisturizer, that's what I looked for, and this is one that really caught my attention. So this is called the Green Screen Skin Detox Smoothie with SPF 20, and this retails for rupees 845. Now I'm not going to add pricing as a review point in this video because I just feel like pricing is very subjective. Like what I would consider expensive might be affordable to you and vice versa. So let's just keep pricing aside. But this retails for rupees 845. And let me just open it and show you what it looks like from the inside. So all of their packaging, all of their products come with this little card that speaks about the product, which I think is really helpful and really cool. So it tells you whether the product is for AM use or PM use. It also tells you what the product contains, how to use it, how to store it, and what it's free from. Like right now it says on this product that it's free from synthetic bleach, parabens, alcohol, sulfates, phthalates, silicones and other nasties, which I think is really helpful. And I think it's great to know what you're putting on your face and what that product contains. And my cat just jumped onto my lap. Say hi. Okay, go. Holly. Oh shit, I put lipstick on your face. Go down. So I was showing you this is what the product looks like from the inside. It's a beautiful, really soft, luxurious cream. I've just put it onto my finger and I'm going to show you how it blends onto my hand. So you can just dot this onto your face and it just leaves a beautiful like sheen, and it actually smells really nice and fresh. Like it smells very I'm not sure what it smells like, but it has a very nice pleasant smell and it's very mild. It's not something that will irritate your skin. Having said that, if you have extremely sensitive skin that doesn't tolerate any fragrances, then maybe stay away from these products because they do have a very mild and slight fragrance. So this product is actually great for all types of skin. Like you can use it for oily skin, for combination skin, normal skin, dry skin, everything. It does a great job and it just leaves your face very radiant and moisturized and nice and plump in the morning. And the best part is it comes with an inbuilt sunscreen, so can't get better than that. That's actually something I was looking for in a day cream. So I really enjoyed using this product. I've been using it for over 3 weeks now and I really like it. So along with that one, I also picked out another moisturizer, which is this one. So this is the Dot & Key Illuminating Glow Moisturizer in Serum. That's what it's called, and I really like the packaging of this one. It comes with stickers at the side which you just peel off, and then you have your product inside. So this is what the product looks like from inside. Now you're probably wondering, why did I buy 2 moisturizers? Honestly, I really wanted to know the difference between this one and that one. Like I said, they have a lot of moisturizers on their site and I just wanted to pick out 2 because I don't know, I just wanted to. So I picked out this one as well. This is actually very lightweight as compared to the other one. The other one is also pretty lightweight, but this is even lighter and it's more of a serum consistency. So it's not rich like the other one that I showed you. This one is very I would say slightly like oily and watery. Let me show you. Like you saw, this was actually much more runnier than the other moisturizer. That's because it is a moisturizer cum serum. So this product works really great for dry skin and combination skin. But if you have oily skin, you will want to stay away from this, because this leaves your skin, I wouldn't say it's greasy, but it leaves it with a slight sheen. So it does give you a slight glow, and if you're somebody who has oily skin, you might not appreciate that. So yeah, just stay away from this product if you have oily skin. But this product works so great under makeup. I don't use this on a daily basis. I use it under my makeup. So if I'm wearing a foundation that's slightly drying, then this balances that out so well, because it has this beautiful like glowy sheen under it. This retails for rupees 695, which is cheaper than the other moisturizer. But again, when you're choosing a moisturizer from their site, just make sure to go through what the moisturizer does for each. Oh great, it's raining now. My mic is going to pick up the rain, guys, so I'm going to try to speak a little loud. So this has a very mild floral fragrance, so if you're into that kind of thing, then you might really enjoy it. I actually prefer the fragrance of the other one because it's more fresh and just like more peppy. It's something that you would want to wake up and have on your face. So aside from moisturizers, I also read that Dot & Key has great sleeping masks. So one that I picked up was this one. This is the Dot & Key Glow C Vitamin C Overnight Radiance Recovery Mask. That's a very long name, but yeah. So this has brightening boosters, gives you overnight therapy, and has no nasty chemicals, just like the other ones. So again, this comes with a little information thingy right here. And this is the actual product. So I think this has to be my favorite product from all of the ones that I tried out, because I actually see the results of this so quickly. This is an overnight mask, so it's something that you put on just before you're going to bed. So normally I will cleanse my face, use a face wash, toner, and then put this, and I'm off to bed. And the next morning I just wake up with amazing glowy skin, and it's so beautiful and so plump to the touch. I just love it. So this retails for rupees 1095, and it contains ceramides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So vitamin C actually gives your face this beautiful glow, and it brightens up your complexion, and hyaluronic acid makes your skin nice and plump. So it just infuses your skin with all of that moisture, and I can't explain it. You will actually have to use it to see what I mean. But this is a gel-like consistency. Let me just open it and show it to you. This is what it looks like from the inside. And I'm just gonna take some on my finger. Keep this back. Where do I put this? Okay, I'm gonna put this here. So just see the way it disappears into your skin. Like literally your skin just drinks this stuff up. It just disappears right into your skin. It's not greasy at all. It's very lightweight. It's just the perfect sleeping mask. Now they do have a couple of other sleeping masks on their site as well, but I just felt like this one gave me all the benefits that the others also did. They had a hyaluronic acid one. They also, I think, had a retinol one, and they had a vitamin C one, which is the one that I picked up. But the hyaluronic acid one seemed very similar to this one. It was a little cheaper, but this one also has vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid as well. So I said, you know what, let's just buy this one. So yeah, if you're going through their website, then you might just want to check out which sleeping mask has what ingredients, because I feel like the ingredients are kind of similar. So when you're buying that, just keep that in mind. Now this product is great for oily skin and combination skin, but if you have dry skin, then this might not do it for you, because you might need something that's a little more heavy duty. Having said that, it just leaves my skin like super nourished, extremely radiant, plump, and very glowy, and I absolutely love this product, and I don't think I'm gonna let go of it so soon. Like if I'm done with this, I'm going to probably purchase it once again. Those are the 3 things that I purchased on Dot & Key, but they also sent me a free sample of a product along with these, and that is this one. This is the Dot & Key Glow Reviving Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. So it's really tiny because obviously it's a free sample, and this is the product that you get inside. And this is what is left of it, because I already used it twice and I'm definitely picking up the full size version because I love this mask. And this clay mask coupled with the vitamin C sleeping mask, oh my god, the combination is so powerful. You guys are going to love it. If you have skin like mine, then you're definitely gonna love it. So this is like a normal regular face mask, like the way you put on a normal face mask. Just use a brush or just use your fingers, whatever. Apply a thin layer and wash it off after 20 minutes. And wow, the way your skin is going to glow, oh my god, you have to try this mask out. I think it is great for all types of skin, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. You're definitely going to want to check this mask out. And I know I'm saying that only after trying it out twice, plus that too it's like a free sample. I didn't even buy this product, but I am definitely planning on picking it up. I do have a lot of face packs and face masks lying at home. I want to finish those before I go ahead and pick up something new, but after I'm done with those, this one is definitely on my list. So after trying out these Dot & Key products for about 2 to 3 weeks, I actually think it is such a great brand. If it fits into your budget, I would highly recommend going for it. Do keep in mind though that all of their products have a mild fragrance, and if you have sensitive skin, like extremely sensitive skin that is bothered by fragrance, then you might not want to go for it. But other than that, I really loved how these products worked on my skin, and I know for sure that I'm definitely going to buy them again. The vitamin C sleeping mask, definitely. The pink clay mask for sure. I might just try out the other moisturizers that they have, because these are great, but they were not like super exceptional or anything like that. So I might want to try out the other products. But yeah, that's all for today's review, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you want me to do any other skincare reviews, do let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to do them for you. And if you enjoyed this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Trust me, it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.